If we calculate here, the PAV is the average on state power loss. Its formula is calculated by power forward on state voltage across a thyristor into on average on state current. More accurately, we can calculate it by 1 upon time period into instantaneous voltage across the SCR into instantaneous current, where T is the periodic time of the anode current waveform. RMS current for an SCR is constant, whatever be the conduction angle. How do we calculate the average current? Average current, here we calculate it by the I RMS upon the form factor. Form factor which is different for different waveforms. So we have taken in the diagram the two, that one is the conduction angle for the rectangular waveform and another is conduction angle for half wave sinusoidal. We will check for different conduction angles what are the this power loss and also the current which is in amperes on average on state current. If you can see in the diagram that for an conduction angle 180, let's us we take a conduction angle 180 degree. Here if we check the anode current is less in B figure. You can see if we take here it is approximately 130. Also if we take a line, we can get it for 150. So the anode current here is less in figure B for a half wave sinusoidal and more for the conduction angle for a rectangular waveform. Also we can see the average on state power loss, that is it rises up to 240 if we take for conduction angle 180 degree. If we saw it for half wave sinusoidal, it is approximately 210. So curves shown here are supplied by the manufacturer. All the specifications are given by the manufacturer so that user can use accordingly, with frequency range 50 Hz to 400 Hz. Let us take an conduction angle 30 degrees Celsius. How do we calculate the first of all conduction angle? We can calculate this conduction angle by area upon time period. Here the area is how many times that rectangular waveform has conducted. It is T upon its time period 2T into 360. So